In this guide, you'll learn how to track your FedEx package without tracking number. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of FedEx or launch your FedEx app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Once logged in, at the top right, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Now here, click on this drop down for tracking. If you don't have a tracking number, you can also go to support section to contact FedEx customer support. After verifying your identity and shipment details, they may be able to help you locate your package using information such as your name, address, shipping date, or other shipment details. If you have a business account, you can also use FedEx Insight or the advanced tracking features available with your account. From the tracking menu, open Advanced Shipment Tracking or FedEx Insight. Here you can view inbound, outbound, or watch list shipments associated with your FedEx account number, allowing you to monitor eligible packages without manually entering a tracking number. Once you have selected the appropriate tracking option, you will be able to view the available shipment details, including the package status, estimated delivery date, and recent tracking updates. If a shipment does not appear, double check that you are signed into the correct FedEx account or contact FedEx support for the further assistance. That's how you can track a FedEx package without a tracking number. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.